The journey began with an idea. From orientation to training to intense elimination rounds, they gave it everything. And now the top 10 grand finalists. Who will rise above the rest? Meet the first Let's Talk Season 1 grand winner. Who will take home the grand prizes? Find out at the grand finals.